The tool you use to build websites is not nearly as important as learning the core fundamentals of web design. The tool is much less important because you can build websites, like you said, with a lot of different tools. And they all have their own unique features, and some might be easier to use than others. And obviously, are differences between them. But it's more important to invest in learning how websites are built, what makes a great website, user experience, performance, trying to make a website that loads really fast. Those things matter more than what tool you're using. Mm-hmm. The other thing is you have to pick a tool and then stick with it, because a lot of people get frozen in trying to choose. Oh, I don't know if I picked the right tool, or they pick one and then they see a YouTube video about why Squarespace is best, and they're like, oh, maybe I should have went with Square, and then they're analyzing and thinking too much. Sounds to me like you've invested in Divi. Divi is a popular WordPress builder. Then I would just stick with that and get really good with Divi. And then once you feel you're really you're an expert at Divi, then you can start to dabble with other tools to expand your skill set. Because sometimes you might have a client that comes to you and says, I want a Shopify site. So then you might want to invest in getting good at Shopify. But don't differentiate and don't split yourself up too much to the point where you're only good with everything. You want to be really good at one thing first, then move on to the next. So if you're already invested in Divi with a lifetime membership, like you said, then I would just get really good at Divi first. Yeah.